If you're experiencing issues with the stuck pub update, follow these steps to resolve the problem and successfully install the update. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router if necessary. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the pub game completely and restart the game client. This can refresh the update process and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the update to be stuck. Step 3. Clear cache. If you are using a console or PC, clear the cache for the game. On consoles, this can often be done by restarting the console. On PC, you can clear the Steam or game cache through the settings. Step 4. Check for disk space. Make sure you have enough disk space available for the update. If your storage is low, consider deleting unnecessary files or games to free up space. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall PUBG. This will ensure that you have the latest version and can help resolve any persistent issues with the update. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the stuck update and enjoy playing PUBG again.